Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some crochet scarves designs model for winter season. A crochet scarf is a type of scarf created using the craft of crochet, which involves using a hooked needle to interlock yarn or thread into a patterned fabric. Crochet scarves can range from simple designs, ideal for beginners, to intricate patterns for experienced crafters. Features of a crochet scarf: materials typically made with yarn, which can vary in thickness, texture, and fiber. Example: acrylic, wool, or cotton. Patterns: there are countless stitch patterns like single crochet, double crochet, granny squares, or lacework. Customization: crochet scarves can be personalized in terms of color, size, and embellishments like rings or beads. Uses: they are both functional for ground and decorative as a fashion accessory. Here are some tips for crocheting a scarf, whether you are a beginner or have some more experience. Choose the right yarn. Use medium weight yarn for beginners, as it is easier to handle. Opt for smooth, non-textured yarn to make it easier to see your stitches. Pick a color you love, but avoid dark colors if you are a beginner, since they can be hard to see. Select the right hook. Match the hook size to the yarn's recommendation, usually listed on the label. Beginners may prefer a large hook size to make closer, easier stitches. Start with a simple stitch. Stick to basic stitches like single crochet or double crochet for your first project. Once you are comfortable, you can try more decorative stitches like shells or lacy patterns. Keep tension consistent. Practice keeping your tension even so the scarf does not end up lopsided or bounced. Avoid pulling the yarn too tight or leaving it too loose. Use a pattern or guide. Follow a simple scarf pattern to stay organized. You can find free patterns online or use tutorials on YouTube if you are a visual learner. Count your stitches. Check your stitch count at the end of each row to avoid accidental increases or decreases in white. Use stitch markers to help keep track. Lock your scarf. Locking helps even out the stitches and gives your scarf a professional finish. Lightly dampen it and pin it into shape on a flat surface to dry. Experiment with borders or edges. Once you have completed your scarf, add a border or fringe for extra flair. Take breaks. Crochet can be relaxing, but long sessions can strain your hands. Take breaks to stretch and rest. Practice patterns. It might take time to get the hang of crochet, but with practice, you will improve and enjoy the process. Here are some additional tips for crocheting a scarf to enhance your experience and results. Before you start, test with a swatch. Make a small practice swatch a few rows of the chosen stitch to check your tension and how the yarn and hook work together. This also helps you estimate the width of your scarf. Plan your length and width. Decide on the dimensions of your scarf in advance. Typical lengths range from 60 to 70 inches, but you can adjust it for preference. Check your workspace. Work in a well-lit area, especially when using darker yarns. Use a comfortable chair or a proper posture to prevent strain. During crocheting, start with a foundation chain that flows. Keep your foundation chain loose so the starting edge does not become too tight. If needed, use a hook size, one size larger for the foundation chain. Focus on the first row. The first row is often the thickest. Take your time to ensure the stitches are even and secure. Work evenly. Avoid skipping stitches or adding extra ones by accident. If you are unsure, recount your stitches periodically. Use stitch markers. Place stitch markers at the start and end of rows to maintain straight edges, especially for patterns requiring frequent counting. Mix colors. Add stripes or color blocks by switching yarns to change color seamlessly. Do it at the end of a row. Maintain a relaxed grip. Avoid gripping the yarn or hook too tightly, as it can cause hand fatigue and uneven tension. Finishing touches. Weave in ends carefully. Use the yarn needle to weave in the ends securely on the back of the scarf to prevent unrelieving. Add textures. Try adding half stitches, bubbles, or ribbing for in textures. Customize the look. Experiment with borders, tassels, pom-poms, or fringe to personalize your scarf. Wash and block it. Wash your scarf gently, following the yarn's care instructions, and block it to enhance its shape and wrap. extra ideas, try a reversible pattern. Some stitch patterns like ribbing or moss stitch look great on both sides, making your scarf more versatile. Use a variegated yarn. Multicolored yarns create a stunning effect without needing complicated patterns. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!